There was an apology today for the trouble with the Obamacare website. Millions of Americans haven't been able to get through the application process. We're learning millions of others are finding out the coverage they already have is being dropped. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda is in our studio now with today's developments. Carlos.
Well, Mark, the White House continues to take heed over the website issues, and now a number of people are getting hit with cancellation notices because their existing policies don't qualify under the new health care law.
I want to apologize to you that the website has not worked as well as it should.
The woman in charge of the problem-plagued Obamacare website testified before House members this morning. She was grilled not only on what went wrong, but also whether they can trust promises that things will be running efficiently by the end of November.
We're barely 4 weeks into this one, and we're already declaring it dead.
Now we're told everything will be okay very soon. So why should the American people believe you now?
And there are new questions over promises made by President Obama in the past.
If you like your doctor, you can keep your doctor. If you like your health care plan, you'll be able to keep your health care plan.
That's not exactly the case for Natasha Lee.
It's a little bit of a price shock.
She's a freelance photographer who just received a letter saying her current policy is being canceled. She says a new similar policy will cost her 3 times more, and she's considering not getting health insurance at all.
I know that there's some people who are thinking about paying, the penalty.
Those letters are misleading. The letters say that federal law requires cancellation of policies. That's not true. What federal law requires is that after January 1st, policies have to be updated to new benefits.
According to insurance industry officials, the majority of Americans with individual plans will find their policies changed or even canceled under Obamacare rules. The White House says those whose plans change drastically will be able to buy more comprehensive coverage.
One of the issues that the Affordable Care Act was designed to address was the need to provide greater security to those Americans who had no other option.
And the Department of Health and Human Services also announced that an outside company will take over the role of general contractor to fix the website, basically taking over from the government agency that was running it. I'm Carlos Granda, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.